Alright. So this just came today. So not bad, packaging is okay. The guy. Let's see how we open this. So bubble wrap on this is quite a lot. Quite significant. Nice.
Finding a buyer. Oh,
Pretty nice, I would say. See, for this small thing, he wrapped it up so nicely. Man, I love this guy. This seller is awesome. Found him on Lazada. If y'all want to know who he is, just let me know. Look how much he wrapped it. Look how much he wrapped it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Just for that. Awesome, man. Love it. Okay. Wrapper out. Type USB-C, coiled, keyboard, cable, AKKO, yada yada yada. Right, the open. Whew, there's plastic on this as well. So let's see. I gotta switch it up a little bit. There we go. And cut and then right there. Okay, got the plastic out. So this was the previous cable for the AKKO. Alright. The previous cable for the AKKO. They just came out with this, it seems, so it's like coiled cable. 2 parts, huh? Interesting. Okay, let's see. Okay, 2 boxes. Quite a bit of sound. Let's see what we have inside here. This thing is so... sounds like a cowbell. You guys hear that? So much sound. Okay, alright. Doesn't say what model I got. Forgot to check. I guess they just it's supposed to be ocean something, ocean star or whatever. There, so this one I took out. You can see the color is the same as the box. Short cable. And this one I think the color is a bit different. Yeah. Okay. This one the color is like this. Same with this box. Okay, so let's just. So I guess I unclip this. Okay, nice. You can use that actually to maybe keep the wires together so they don't look like a mess. PC wires, not your AKKO wires. You get these AKKO cables so things don't look like that, you know. Even though the PC is over there, it's quite a distance, but yeah. Okay, I'm opening this. It feels nice. Not bad, it's quite long. Wow. Good that it's long, at least it has to reach all over there. Okay, so let's see. We gotta fix this here, I guess. Wow, see. This is some insane one-handed, left-handed fixing. Damn, man, if I get this one-handed, I am a genius. Engkau adalah seorang genius. Right now saya bukan genius. I doing it the right way? Let's see. Okay, this one has a hole like this. This one has a hole like this. Yeah. So yeah, you gotta get them together. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so I just noticed, you see on the right, there's a little knob jutting out on the male. The male is the one on the right with the protrusions. The one with the hole is the female, I suppose. See, there's a little knob here on the right here. See that? You see that? This thing here? Yeah, tiny little thing. So that aligns with this, then it goes in easily. Okay, so the one-handed thing ain't gonna work. Just give me a sec. Let me fix it up. Okay, right. So as you can see, once you get it aligned, it goes in so freaking easily. You just turn it up. Just kind of tighten it up. Okay, so it's nice and tight. Managed to fix it. This is the other end that goes to the PC. Not bad. Nice AKKO logo on it. I guess it's the... They said it's gold plated or whatever. You melt that, you ain't gonna make money. This thing is gold plated as well. Can you see? Focus there. There we go. Lovely. So I'm gonna try it with that, just for fun. Or you all want me to bring the AKKO out? Okay. So I just kind of move everything away, and you can see it's nicely plugged in there. Nice and neat. Okay, so it's just nice and neat. One line there. Connects there. That's the mouse. Nobody told me whether they want to see me do a video of this, so I haven't done it. And it goes perfectly into the back. There you go. Done deal. Look how neat it is, man. So compared to this wire, right? Even till now, you can see it's a good wire. It's still nice and sturdy. Gold plated. No, this one doesn't look. I know it looks a bit yellowish, but it's not. It's it's just normal, whatever steel, whatever the fuck. So you see, this blue wire, right? Look at that. So it's all, still like this, still like that. You know what I mean? Now compared with this, look how neat. So it's already all cabled up. It's just straight. It's a smooth little wire. You know what I mean? This one probably over time it would get a bit loose. But of course you're not gonna bend it, just try to loosen up. Probably the sun and everything will make it loose. But it's just one full wire like this. So you always have the bends and the whatever. Never really bugged me, but because the guy said I got the AKKO keyboard, he said he gave me it for cheaper, but it'll come late. I said, okay, never mind. Because you go online, I think it's like 76, 79, almost 80 bucks. The guy gave it to me for like 50 bucks, 50 plus. And he never charged me for delivery, even for the AKKO, so I never paid for delivery. So I said, okay, bro, just that it came late. Because it was not out at the time I got the AKKO keyboard. It only came out, I think recently, maybe a few weeks ago, a month ago, 3 weeks ago. Yeah, so it took about 11 days to come. So now it's very neat, man. Look at that. So I've kept the AKKO away because I'm trying to mess around with this, trying to stream and play games. So I'm keeping this keyboard hard. That AKKO is very nice for typing. So anything important, they say I don't want to play, I'll just put this aside and bring that out. Let me just bring it out just for the fun. Can you just look at the size difference? Look at that. See what I'm saying? I mean, don't get me wrong, the Doraemon thing is beautiful. Okay, obviously I changed this, changed that. This is all the extra key. This one's from the mouse they gave me free. I thought, just use it. And okay, whatever. So as you can see, look at the difference, man. Just look at that. Look at that, man. That's why I didn't want all this. Rarely used. Even for my typing and all that, I use the mouse in case to move left or right. Or this one, you just have to function key, whatever shit, and then it'll work. But look at that, man. Look at the difference. Can you see that? Look at that. Can you all see that? I don't know. Look at this. Look at that. There you go. Okay. Now, let's swap it up. So I take this guy out. Put this guy over here. And let's put my man. This one is somewhere in the middle, as you can see. Nice. It's actually right in the middle there. Let me get a bit closer. There you go. See that? So the old cable had that little smudge. Give me a second. So you can see the AKKO keyboard is really in there. It's really right in the right inside. You can see that. So it won't come out easily. It's good. It's good like that. It's better like that. Now let me put mine. Okay. No hassle. Went in easily. I heard the sound. By the way, they have many colors actually. You got pink color, whatever, green color, matcha color, and all that. I was thinking about getting one purple, whatever one. Then I thought, you know what, I already got this, and then the one piece, one piece one I bought from. It was in Ipoh, the one piece one. So this one bought from Shopee. So yeah, so as you can see, let me get rid of this color, and there you have it. AKKO coiled cable. Let's just see whether, let me just open something and type. Perfect. The sound is beautiful. The sound of this keyboard is absolutely tremendous, like really. So it works. This is not a wireless, by the way. This one is a wireless. This is not a wireless, but man, it just made the whole table so neat. So instead of having this just all over the place, just stretching whatever you want, just look at that. Okay. Sorry, I don't know how to do B-roll or whatever the hell. I only got one hand and one camera. I don't have an overhead camera stand or whatever, but look at that, so neat. Yeah, I mean, my table is maybe a bit messy. I apologize for that, but as you can see, this is a decent, you can hardly feel. Can you see that? Even when I move the cable, at least the mouse is normal. That's why I bought this. Is cheap. Nice RGB color, look at that. Hardly anything. So you don't feel, it's almost like a wireless mouse, That's why I got this. Most of the other mouses were just black and white, no color. I mean, first mouse after 20 years, I said just get one with color lah, Last time I had my own PC was before I left for Australia, That was like what? Yeah, 20 years ago, 2002, 2003. Yeah, okay, so nice purchase, $50. Very happy with it. And if anybody wants, when I put this video up, let me know in the comment section, and I will hook you guys up with the guy who gave me this. Anyway, until then, peace out, guys. Thanks for tuning in. The wire, bang, bang.